YouTube. Billy checking in here from Two Brothers. We're got a treat for y'all today. Gonna take you down here and show you something that we've been working on for the last year or so. We've kind of acquired a new location here and trying to get everything set up and moved over there. It's been a kind of a project in itself. We've been going back and forth with the city and trying to get some things logistically taken care of, but been working hard. It's been a long time coming. We've been in the place.
The good thing is it's not far.
Yeah. We're here.
We're already there.
We didn't even have to put our seatbelt on.
We probably could have walked, but it's freezing outside.
Yeah, long way from completion, but getting a lot closer with it. We put a huge dent in it, at least from where it started. So
yeah, super excited to show you guys this new or kind of next step with Two Brothers. A lot of local people kind of have already heard and got the gist, but a lot of our followers and people that travel to us from out of town, they have no clue. So just kind of filling everybody in. Like Bill said, it's going to be a minute till we kind of transfer down here. Still not even entirely sure how we're going to work everything. Luckily, buildings are super close, so may end up piggybacking some, but yeah, we're here. Let's go inside, show you what we got going on, and yeah.
All right, we made it. As you can see, pretty big showroom here. Quite a bit more area or more room than what we got down there. This will be where we display all of our apparel stuff over here. We're hoping to do some cool branding and new apparel stuff. We've had some people asking about hoodies and hats and all that stuff. We're gonna have a kind of a designated area. Got some showcase for some wheels. We'll put some lights in the windows there. That'll show off some wheels and some product pretty nicely. IT room, got an office for Mac there. Nice sales desk here. I'll let Mac fill you in on that, let you see the new desk.
Hey, welcome to Two Bros. Yeah, so as you can see, much bigger sales desk. Have the ability to have a couple more sales guys on the floor. Add some phone lines, that way we're not constantly missing so many phone calls. It's one problem we have now is just we're out of room for sales guys. We only have 2 phone lines. Here we'll be able to have a couple more sales guys, a couple more phone lines, and just make better use of it. So yeah, super excited to get down here. Really wish we had some shots to show you guys like the before state and what it looked like.
The place was old, had panel walls and carpet floors, and yeah, it was really clean and good shape, but just an old building.
Oh yeah, super well kept up, just old, dated. So we came in, done a lot of remodeling, a lot of sprucing up, ripped up the carpet all the way down to the concrete, cut, polished, the concrete, that's 60-year-old concrete, turned out super awesome.
It's dirty, but once it gets cleaned up, it'll look real good.
Did some nice new black HVAC work. Gotta give a shout out to Jake, Steven, and the guys at Elite Heating and Cooling. They did a great job on that. They've always taken good care of us. Yeah, keep us comfortable in here.
Nice granite countertops on the new counter.
It's gonna be pretty sweet.
Real deal.
Don't want to go into too much detail on everything yet. Another
nice clean restaurant. Sorry for everybody that's visited our shop. Our restroom, not restaurant. Sorry.
Yeah, it's definitely not a Taco Bell.
Yeah,
it's a restroom. Hey, Billy can be making sandwiches all day, passing them out.
That's fine. I'm gonna keep my office door closed and hide anyway. So yeah, we'll cut a little sliding window in there.
Billy's desk.
There's my office up there actually.
Yeah.
We'll hide up there. Come on with me. We'll show you the main shop out here. So this is it, the main part of the shop. So this is, as you can see, kind of a drive-through setup, drive-through shop. This building's been here, kind of an existing building for quite some time, but this is gonna be all our mechanic work. Gonna have a new in-ground alignment machine. We've already got one. Shout out to Hunter Engineering. They've got some of the best stuff on the market. When it comes to equipment, you gotta have the best of the best to work on the best cars out there. So we got the new Hunter Engineering in-ground alignment rack. We're gonna set up another one of those. So we'll cut our, we stay a couple of days out on alignment. So once we get that set up and operating, get one guy on it full time, we'll cut that down to half the time essentially. Come on in, I'm gonna show you the customer lounge. Most of the as a customer, you're gonna see it from the front side, but nonetheless, this is what we kind of gonna be the customer lounge, or consider the customer lounge. As you can see, heck, it's even bigger than our showroom that we have now. As you guys know, we got a lot of customers that come down from out of town. Got a lot of shout out to our Knoxville customers and all the guys up that way, North Georgia. A lot of this work that we're doing takes 3, 4, 5 hours, or maybe even longer sometime. If it's something that somebody's trying to drive from 2 or 3 hours, we'll put a couple of guys on it. So we appreciate everybody being patient and at the existing shop that we've been at. I know that place is tiny, cram-packed. It gets a little congested at times. Got those little metal back chairs that are terrible. So we get some nice couches, TV, some refreshments, some coffee, all that good stuff. Have a good, comfortable place to hang out, Wi-Fi, all that good stuff. That way, when you come down, you can feel at home, comfortable. Nobody wants to come down and wait on their car for 5 or 6 hours, let alone when it's you got a little metal back chair and a 300 square foot office. So this will be night and day difference for the kind of, again, going back to the customer experience and having everything kind of come together. So this will be big and be nice and comfortable for everybody. So this is the way that you would be seeing it as the customer coming into the customer lounge. We've got a few more bays down here. I'm not going to take you inside and show you all those right now. It's just piled full of a bunch of junk, really, more so than anything. We've been kind of moving things out while we're doing some remodeling and getting everything geared up. But these will be nice flat stalls for for some additional work in the future. Coming down this end, something I can't talk about a whole lot yet. It's still kind of in the works and everything going on, still going back and forth with the city and all that stuff. But as you can see, we've got a pretty open parking lot here, quite a bit more room to kind of expand on. So we're doing an extension over here. Again, can't say too much about it. We're super excited about that. That's going to be the biggest thing to this whole puzzle here. You gotta tune back in. When we get the construction started, we're fixing to break ground pretty soon. So keep an eye out and keep watching. Check back with us. So that pretty well summarizes kind of what we want to show you guys for now. Don't want to go too far in depth, but we'll keep you guys updated kind of as this project progresses and comes along. We'll head back over to the shop now. See what all they got going on. I think our good friend Andy's there getting some wheels on his Defender right now. Some Vossens. We'll go back and see what they got going on. All right, guys, we just made it back to the shop here. They're just now wrapping up this brand new, beautiful Defender for our good buddy Andy. Andy's one of the OG customers. He's been coming to us since back in the Benton days. I mean, we go back, what, 10, 12, 15 years? It's been a long time. So.
I blew up your Skyline.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, I blew his Skyline up while I was driving it.
Yeah.
And that's how much Billy likes me. He let me blow his car up, and here I am back.
Right-hand drive Skyline. That was what, 15 years ago?
Yeah, that's when I was building your IS.
I was in high school.
I was building your IS.
So that was crazy.
That's fun.
Andy got this Defender not too long ago. He sent me a picture, on Monday? I guess it was Monday, wasn't it?
Yeah, I came up here Monday and showed you a picture.
Monday, he's like, hey, I've been thinking about doing something. We started talking about cars, of course, we're always talking about cars, and started talking about the Defenders. I didn't even know he had this thing. Showed me the accessories that he was doing on it. He said, I'm gonna put these wheels, they're Vossens. Hit my boy up at Vossen, and it's Thursday now. We got the wheels here, mounted, balanced, ready to go. He's going out of town, him and his wife Hannah are going out of town in a couple of weeks, so they'll be riding in style now. Got them quick. So.
Yeah, and I can put a trailer behind it and carry the other cars with it. But no, exactly. I just want to say congrats to all the business they've built here. Mac and Billy have always taken care of me, and this was just, I wasn't even planning on this. I showed it to Billy, and Billy said, let's make it happen. And I'm thinking, 2 or 3 weeks, and he turned it into 3 days. So you need anything like this done, come up here and check out Two Brothers. So they're legit, and I appreciate them. And it looks sick.
Dude, we appreciate you. You've always been loyal to us.
Thanks,
we appreciate it. For
changed
sure.
the whole entire look of that vehicle.
It's crazy how much difference it made.
Oh yeah, night and day difference. Even Hannah was inside. She was like, wow, the wheels look so much better. I was like, thanks. She's like, now you got to get your brake calipers painted. And I was like,
oh, that's next. Yeah. What color are you thinking?
Red.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it needs something to make it pop a little bit. Yeah.
Then it'll match then I can match it with the Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Lamborghini's black and red. This is, black and red. So.
Yep. Thank you again.
Appreciate you, man.
You as always. Yeah. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in today. Hope y'all liked what we did. We've been kind of skeptical about showing that the new facility there, but this time we're getting real close with it. So appreciate you watching that, and hope you're just as excited as we are. It's going to be killer. Make sure to keep watching. Next week we've got a very, very special Two Bros road trip for you. Myself, Mac, and Liam, we're hopping in the new 450. Loading up the race GTR, and we're heading south. We're going to GTR World Cup in Bradenton, Florida. So make sure to watch in for that. That's going to be some sick stuff. Some twin turbo Lamborghinis doing some drag racing, GTR drag racing. Very VIP event. It's going to be sick. So make sure to watch in for that. As always, like, share, comment. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys are enjoying these.